Let's see how this one's different than Disney World, okay? There's the Columbia. We'll have to ask them if they're sailing that today, huh? Yeah, we are. There's that old haunted mansion. Right straight across. I know. Yeah, we'll probably get one time. So, why do they call this Dead Man's Grotto? Ooh. See that? Oh, you activated something. Here, do it again. Do it. Yeah, look, it turned red. Come on, you. Watch your step. Whoa, it gets real skinny.
We know your tricks.
Oh, treasure! There be treasure.
Wait,
Right.
look, this
Oh, what's it say?
pirate face a sea of troubles. Our dying breaths are only.
Our dying breaths are
Only.
Oh wait, what's it say?
It's like a river or something.
Oh, what'd you do?
Touch it. David, touch it.
Touch it.
I know what's gonna
Touch the
happen.
treasure.
Rebecca.
Touch it, Becca. Right here. Grab that bar of gold.
Why don't you touch
I think someone's after me treasure. Just don't mention Palmer.
Miss Elizabeth Swan.
Oh, that's.
I told you not to say that
Generous.
word. Sorry, mate.
Governor's Mansion. Port Royal.
Ah, I seen that. The treasure's mine,
Look,
says
brother.
I. Now off with you.
Look, it's a different one. Touch.
I'll be back.
That's it. Sorry.
David, look.
Days up in the game. Ignore him, mate. You're just trying to get a rise out of you.
Alright, what happened here?
It only makes noises, but still, put your hand in there. Really fun.
You're trying.
Oh, the treasure disappears, actually.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Here, look. Look at all that treasure. See? Now, try to grab it. Can you see the treasure? Look here. Watch there. See the treasure? Now try to grab it. Oh, there it goes. It disappeared. Oh my.
Touch this. Touch this.
Alright, what happens? Nothing. Nothing happens. Nothing at all. Then you just grab the
The
treasure.
guy that came up and his like face or whatever.
Alright, try it. Try to get the treasure, brother. Oh! He disappeared. Alright, try to get that treasure, son. Oh my! Alright, let's keep going. Keep going. Oh, now what's that?
And share the curse as well.
Hang on.
Come, here's your change. I could use a more lively cellmate.
What does it say? A warning? Let's just move it along. Okay. What? Is this the end? Okay, I think Captain Jack Sparrow did a pretty good job in his cave, didn't he?
That's back to Raft Up.
Look, found. Come on.
Look up there at that treehouse. Oh, Tom and Becky. Look in that tree. Can you see Tom and Becky's name? Oop, careful. Sorry. Look, the more you pump, the more the treasure comes. Go. Pump. Pump. Look, you're pumping it out of there so you can see the treasure. Hurry, pump faster. What? Where's that skeleton? Brother, can we do it? Faster, faster. Pump it. Go, go, go. Woo. It's like a ride, isn't it? Okay. Alright, go ahead in. Alright, show us the show us the cave carefully. Oh, yeah. Be careful. Wow.
This is jail.
The jail? Well, don't be bad.
No, it's not. I can't get in. There are two different ways to go. Through there.
No, this one just. Oh, you're right. Okay, but this is more stairs. So go that way.
Go.
Hey, David, watch what you're videotaping. There you go. Keep it in front of you.
It leads to outside.
See the jail, brother? On the video?
No.
Come here. Get it on the video.
It leads to outside, so maybe we should go that way first.
That leads outside.
And then we would do that
So
one.
this might be a little shortcut to different places. How cool is this? Alright, brother, I need my phone back.
But Daddy, come here.
Thank you.
This way. Follow me, guys. Follow me.
Is that a treasure mark? Can't tell.
Guys, follow. Yep, this is the shortcut.
Oh.
Guys,
Alright, here, brother. Show me the here, show the way out on the video, and then bring it right back.
shortcut.
Whoa, freeze! Here, show the stairs on the video. Look at the video. Look at it. Now show the stairs.
Dad,
And
come
go up.
on.
Go outside, get the front, and then come right back.
Daddy, there's two ways you can go up.
You heard me. Go do it, and then come right back. Alright, then come right back in.
Dad, come on.
I need to get a
It's a
picture.
pretty cool way.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Come on.
Brother, you're gonna go up that way in a minute.
Shortcut.
Follow Becky.
You want to go that way? Dad, you want to go that way? That way? Or that
Oh
way?
my goodness, we do have different ways to go out, don't we?
Yep. Which one?
Let's go right, because I think it'll... That's left. Alright, so let's go left, just for kicks. I want to see where this goes.
Just over to...
Watch out, let me see. Stay right there, don't move. Shoot, shoot. Oh, was that your way? Oh, this is cool. Under the boats. Oh, that's your way. Now come here, let's find Mommy. Come here, this way. This way. Oh wow, we can go up.
Yeah, let's go up.
Come here. Oh, and we can keep going up. Hey, come here.
Come on.
Mommy.
Mom. She's going up.
Hey, Mommy.
Mom.
Wow, brother. I don't know if I can make it through here with this
This is the
backpack.
pirate's treehouse.
What?
I mean the pirate's fort.
Hang on, brother. Oh.
Anyone down there?
Hey, babe.
Mom. Anyone down there?
Oh, good idea. Let's go. Hey, babe.
Anyone down
Diana. We lost you. We're way up here.
Mom.
Where are you? Come here, there's some adult stairs over here. Let's see what we can find. Welcome back to Troyer's Travels. We are in Disneyland still. We decided to come and check out Tom Sawyer's Island. It's one of our favorites in Walt Disney World in Florida. So when we got over here, we were very much surprised and happily surprised at that, because Tom Sawyer's Island here at Disneyland is way different from Disney World in that they have all kinds of stuff. They have rock caves that you can climb into. There's an entrance right down here. You can pump water to show some treasure inside of a boat below you. You can also run around a crank and make some treasure come up out of the depths of the lake, ocean, river, out of the river here. You can, going through the caves, it's not just like Disneyland where you walk through and you see things. There are interactive pieces, such as you try to grab a gold bar from a pirate, and one of the pirates from the Pirates of the Caribbean movie series will pop up and tell you not to take his treasure, and or show you his eye, something like that. There are a few different variations. A lot of fun inside these caves over here. It's a lot of fun on Tom Sawyer's Island. And also, this is one of the highly underutilized areas of the park by guests. As you can see, there aren't too many people around here right now. It's a little bit after 11. And so essentially, it's a place where you can come, you can relax a little bit. If you have kids who want to just run around, it's a great place for that. It's also a place where you can just enjoy the nature. You can look around you, you can see the sailing ship Columbia, you can see the Haunted Mansion, you can see Thunder Mountain, Space Mountain, or not Space Mountain, Splash Mountain, and several other things from the island here. There's a restaurant, and also for you lovebirds, you can come over here, take a romantic walk down Tom Sawyer's Island. They even have little nods to Tom and Becky, initials carved inside of the tree, a couple other things like that. So it's a lot of fun. Tom Sawyer's Island is a great place for you to visit at Disneyland or Walt Disney World. But again, the Disneyland version is way better. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God.
The pirate lord.
This is so cool. See that? Sorry. Oh man. There's a little wind out there.
Daddy, wait, do it.
Whoa. What happens here? Oh, are you doing the pirate sign language there?
It's a dance.
The dance? Yeah, and what happens?
I got these yours. Do you like it?
Woo! That was a pretty cool little cave.
Dad, treasure camp.
Oh, wow. Check it out. The fort.
There's the tower.
What?
That tower. You have to go there. Metal.
Yeah. Ooh. Wow. Maybe the biggest person in the group should not be carrying the backpack through a cave that is super tight.
Hey. Guys.
Which
Stay
way?
here.
Oh, it does. Come here, brother. Come in. Let's keep going for a minute.
See, it's out that way.
All right, we'll go that way. I'll be right there. That's the selfie spot. Aw, look, only cast members can go inside of the fort. Isn't that sad?
River, which we named the Columbia, after the first ship to sail our waters.
Get on it. Oh, Rebecca, you come over here.
Yeah, you and me both. All right, you were right. We made this one. I know. I just had to get a picture of the feet. While you're over here, don't forget to ride the Davy Crockett Explorer canoes. It's a great little adventure where you paddle around the entirety of Tom Sawyer's Island. Also, you can ride the Mark Twain or you can ride the Columbia. Either one of those will give you a tour of the island as well. When you're sitting on Tom Sawyer's Island, you have the opportunity to just sit there, relax, and to watch the marvelous riverboat go by. You can watch the Columbia sail by, and you can watch these canoes. We took a trip on the canoes. It was pretty awesome. If you haven't ridden a canoe before, it's a good chance to get around and see that. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment. Please visit www.davidhtroyer.com. Visit amazon.com/author/davidhtroyer. See our other social media outlets and check out our other YouTube videos. Have a great day, and we hope to see you